Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to add a control to control center on iOS 18 on an iPhone. So if your iPhone is running on latest iOS 18 and now you want to add a control to the control center, maybe the control is missing on your iPhone control center and I want to add it manually, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you follow the steps I'm about to share with you here, you're able to add any control of your choice. So swipe down to control center. Once you swipe down to control center just like this, then you should have different control pages. So go to the control page where you want to add a control and press and hold it. Once you press and hold it, just go ahead and click on add a control. Then here you have access to all the controls you have on your iPhone. Then you can just swipe through to locate the control you want to add to the control page, or better still, just come to search control and search for the control. So let's say you want to add music recognition. So this is recognize music, and just go ahead and click on that. Once you tap that, then you should see it added to the control center like this. You can see add a control to add another control. So just search through and find the control you want to add to the control center. So you want to add your remote to the control center for easy access, just go ahead and click on the remote. Then you should see it added to the control center. You can also adjust the controls like this. And once you're done, just click outside the control. And when next you want to use the control, just swipe at the control center, then you have access to control on your iPhone. See that? So that is basically how to add a control to control center on iOS 18 on an iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.